can we determine which layer comes in front of the other? For example, here, if we move the square, it comes in front of the circle, but it comes before the star. How this happen? In fact, in 2D space, the order of layers is what determine which comes in front and which comes behind. The upper layer comes in front of any other layer, and the bottom comes behind the other layers. This is in 2D space. In 3D space, let's convert all this layer to 3D by checking the cube here. Now, what determines what comes in front and what comes backward is the Z space. Now, the star is in front. Let's now go to the circle, which is in the back. In 3D space, what determines what comes front and backward is the Z space in the position, not the order of the layer. And we will talk about 3D in detail in other lecture. That's it. Thank you now, and see you next lesson.